Hi guys, Sir Don, what happened to you? Bakit ganyan ka na? Nag-turn around ka na? Look, oh, galing-galing naman ni Kaiser Don. Kuya naman, hinalikan mo naman ang lips niya. How are you, Kaiser Don? Ikot-ikot na ang Kaiser Don. Sige, ayusin mo nga, kuya, dahan-dahan yung ulo. Galing naman. Good morning, Mommy Burp. How are you, anak? Nag-almusal na po kami. Kayo? Almusal na kayo? Si Kaiser Don, hindi pa nag-almusal yan kanina lang, no?
Gatas ng police.
Tingnan mo, oh. Look, oh, yung pisngi niya. Namumula kasi you always kiss him.
Ayan o. Mahaba na yung... Yes.
Kaiser Don, how are you, anak? Good morning. It's July 11, Saturday, 2020. Thanks God, it's Saturday.
Ay, malapit na 25, 26. Pag 26, mabuksan na yung gift. Tapos yung 25, papot yung gift lahat. Kasi yung Christmas.
Ay, are you,
May
anak?
Christmas tree.
Ang kamay mo, anak. Nagugas ka?
Oo.
Very good. Thank you.
May Christmas tree.
Huwag mo nang hawakan yung pisngi niya, anak, kasi parang sensitive siya. Look, oh. Kaiser Don, Kaiser Don, Kaiser Don.
Tok tiktok. Ano gulat si guys? Tok tiktok, tok tiktok.
Hi, Lolo. Hi, Lola. Hi, mga pinsan there in the Philippines.
TikTok tako.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you
Thanks,
for
God.